What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new songs, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, Turn Motivation into Millions, in the Hussle family. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you got to do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? So, it's a lot of people out there talking to these fake King Hussle pages. Listen, I will not write you. If any King Hussle page DMs you saying you want to make some money or yo, what's up, that's not me. That's automatically a red flag for a scam page, all right? And before y'all send y'all money to anybody, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you're dealing business with me. You see this face and you're getting legit business and you're getting what you pay for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, Monday, early, we back at it. We back dropping gems. We back dropping sauce. We back to the information that we need to win. We back to the knowledge to turn it into power. Knowledge is power. So, listen. Anybody out there that's 18, 19, 20, you want to 21, you want to start making you some money every 4 to 5 months, 6 months, for sure money. You want to get at least $10,000. You want to put yourself in position to make $15,000 every 6 months. Tap in, because this video, I'm going to show you how you can put yourself in a position, age your credit profile, get some money, invest the money that you get, grow your credit, start an LLC, invest in your LLC, all that good stuff, and get educated at the same time. And this method is for anybody out there, but it mainly works for people who are 18, 19, just graduated high school, things like that, because there's a lot of young entrepreneurs out there. There's a lot of people out there who need to learn this sauce, who need to know this information. So, it's a lot of people out there that don't understand. The government gives you opportunity to do certain things, and it's up to you to know what you're doing when you get in this type of situation, right? And like I told you guys before, anybody that just graduated high school, just sitting around all day, every day, smoking weed, drinking liquor, partying with their friends, not making no money, you're already going down the wrong direction, the wrong lane, all right? You need to put your thinking cap on. You need to put your business cap on and say, all right, you know what? There's other ways out there for me to become successful. There's other ways out there for me to become a multi-millionaire, a billionaire, other than being a rapper or selling drugs or doing the things everybody else in the world is doing, right? It's a lot of people behind the scenes that you don't see, that you don't know about, that's making more money than rappers. Because I'm going to be 100% honest with you. There's a lot of people out there that say, oh, I'm going to just get a hit record, I'm going to blow up and make millions and millions of dollars. I ain't going to never have to work. I'm going to just do shows. And let's just wake up and smell the tea. Everybody's not going to be a rapper. Everybody's not going to get paid for shows. Everybody is not going to it's just not going to cut for everybody. So then everybody be like, oh, my plan A is being music. I really need people to wake up and smell the juice. Being a boss is way easier than being a rapper. Being a boss and putting people in a position to win is way better and easier than being a rapper. Being an entertainer and doing other things other than music is better than doing music, because a lot of people don't understand. Content creators make more than rappers. It's a lot of CEOs and bosses that's making more money off the rapper, because at the end of the day, when the rapper gets paid, the CEO gets paid. So let's say you find your artist and you put that artist in a position to make money. You're making money off that artist. You don't have to rap. It's a lot of different things that you could be doing to make money, right? So boom. Anybody out there that's never been in school, never signed up for FAFSA, never had financial aid, this is the time for you to change your life and get some money, invest it, and be blessed, all right? So there's a thing called financial aid, FAFSA, right? And it's literally money that the government will give you to go to school, to get educated, right? And I'm giving you this method because I did the method myself. I got over $60,000 in hard hand cash over a period of 5 to 6 years from FAFSA, and invested it and did what I need to do with it. And I'm telling you this because, listen, life is real. Everybody doesn't know when their next dollar is going to come. Everybody doesn't know how they're going to make their next dollar. But if you can get into school, And I'm not saying a university or one of these big time major schools. No, I'm saying your local community college, your local junior college, 2-year college, technical college. If you can get into one of these schools, put yourself in a position to sign up for school and take 4 classes, and you get 3 to 4 checks each semester, how can you beat that? Like, literally, you gotta think about it. What are you doing out there that's hindering you from getting these checks? Because A, you're gonna get paid. 2, you're gonna get a diploma, a business, a degree, whenever you're doing, and it's gonna look better on your resume, and you're gonna be in a better position in life. Now it's up to you when you get this money to either use it to do what you need to do or use it and to do whatever you don't need to do. Right? Listen, sign up for school. Please sign up for school. I just graduated school. I paid the rest of I used up all my financial aid until I couldn't use it no more. I just finished school. I paid out of my pocket, but I graduated. I got my degree. I need people to understand. If you're broke and struggling, school will help you. Signing up for financial aid, and I'm going to stress this. Signing up for financial aid, you will get thousands of dollars, checks mailed to your house or direct deposited into your bank account 3 to 4 times each semester. For sure. It was a semester I got $10,000. So, what I need you to do is sign up for financial aid. Once you sign up for financial aid, I need you to find the local junior college, community college, technical college in your area and find you a major, find you a trade. Once you find you a trade, sign up for school. Make sure you're in school full time. That's 4 classes. I think it's 3 credits each classes. 12 credits is qualified as a full-time student. Once you're qualified as a full-time student, you get more money. And it's all off the loans. Like, school will literally allow you to take out loans, student loans, start aging your credit profile. And by the time you get out of school, you be like, okay, look, let me put this to you like this. This is a little hack. You sign up for school, right? You get the FAFSA. You do what you need to do. You get awarded some money. You could probably get awarded like $30,000 or something like that, right? Boom, you get awarded $30,000 in financial aid, free money, right? You take that $30,000, you pay for your classes, and you pay for your books. You get the remaining balance of how much you paid for, right? So you get that money. Once you get that money, you can go get you a car, you can get you a house, you can invest in your business. You don't even got to get your car and a house. You can get your car, you can invest in your business. It all depends on your situation, right? What I did was I got me a car. I was good on the house situation, so I just got me a car, pimped it out, boom, and stacked the rest of the money, right? So I put up like $4,000, right? Boom. Finished my work. Next semester came. Boom, I got another $8,000. So with that $8,000, I put up like $5,000. So now I had $9,000 saved up, and I invested into some other things that was making me more money, right? So now off school, I got $9,000 saved. I invested in some product that's some type of business that's making me more money, and I'm finna be getting more checks. And this checks is being reflected on my credit profile, right? So once you start getting them checks, right, then you can go apply for you go get you a car, one of them little $500 down payment cars, and run up your credit. So now you building your credit profile. Now you just gotta stay on top of your game. You just gotta stay on top of them payments, because if you stay on top of them payments, I guarantee you will have an 800 credit score, 750 credit score in no time, right? So for everybody out there that want to know how to really do this school stuff, how to really get these school checks, how to get this free money, and it's another thing. You can literally take online classes. You take online classes, and this is a little cheat code. If you take online classes, the classes is universal, which means every question or whatever they're asking you to do is been done at a lot of different schools. It's in a universal database for schoolwork, right? So you can literally Google all the questions and answers online and get them in really fast. So without further ado, let me show you where to go to sign up for FAFSA, financial aid, federal student aid. Get you some money, get in school, work from home, invest in your business, invest in your life, get you a car, get you a house, age your credit, start your business, and be on the records, right? So let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is go to studentaid.gov. It's not .gov, it's not the right site. All .gov's government sites for this type of thing. So we're going to go to federal student aid. studentaid.gov, right? So once you go there, you want to sign up for FAFSA. Complete your FAFSA form, right? So if you are a new FAFSA, if you sign up for, you never did it before, right here. If you return into your FAFSA, you want to sign up right there, right? So once you sign up, you're going to give them all the documents that you need. They're going to ask you, are you an independent or dependent student? If you're an independent student, that means no one is claiming you on their taxes. If you're a dependent student, that means somebody's claiming you on their taxes. So people who like 18, 19, 20 still stay at home with their parents or stuff like that, those are mainly dependent students. But students who are on their own, don't stay with their parents, and no one is claiming them on their taxes, then boom, you're an independent student. So once you file as an independent student, you get more FAFSA, you get more money towards going to school, which means you'll get more money in the end run. So federal student aid is where you're supposed to go. Studentaid.gov, and like I said, you start here, you click there. It's going to ask you some questions. I'm a student. I want to access a FAFSA form. I am a parent filling out a FAFSA form for a student. I am a preparer helping a student fill out a FAFSA form. This one you will say I am a student and I want to access you probably do this one. Enter the students. You just pick which one works best for you, or create a FAFSA ID right here, right? So create a FAFSA ID, boom. Once you create a FAFSA ID, then it'll take you through the steps to getting your money, getting your FAFSA, your financial aid, and getting that free money towards school, all right? So go sign up for your FAFSA, get approved, then sign up for school, all right? So free money. Let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. It's a lot of people out there struggling that's trying to figure out how they gonna make money. It's a lot of people out there that want to get loans. A lot of people that want to get credit cards. A lot of people that want to do a lot of different things. And by you being a student, you can get student credit cards. You can get student loans. You can get a lot of different perks that comes with being a student. Guarantee. If you really like on your last ins and outs, and you need to learn you need some money. Put yourself in a position right now to sign up for financial aid. Once you get approved and get awarded, sign up for your local tech school, community college, junior college. Make sure you're in school for full time. That's 12 credits. Make sure you do what you need to do. Oh, this is the trick right here. Now, this is the trick. This is what you got to do, how to really run it up. So once you get approved, you get your classes and all that, school starts, right? Boom. This is the trick. As long as you're in school or in that class for at least 60% of the class, of the time period, you can drop those classes after 60%, because it'll literally tell you on your schedule, this date is how long you've been in class, this date is how long you've been in class, and this date is how long you've been in class, and it's all off percentage. It's like, once you get to that date where it's 60%, after that date, you can literally drop those classes and re-register for those classes and not be penalized. So let's say you take those classes, right? Boom, boom, boom. After the 60% period, you're like, man, I'm tired of going to school. I got all these classes. I got all these answers anyways. Boom. I'm just going to take it next semester. So boom, you can drop those classes, stop going to school. Boom. Register for the classes next semester. The same classes. Take the same classes. Have the answers already. And pass. And repeat the process every time till they say you can't repeat the process no more. I literally ran up $60,000 in hard hand cash off loans, sending me checks, me going to the bank, cashing them and putting the money up. Easy. It was so sweet. I was having other people getting to school, like chicks getting to school, like, hey, get into school so we can get these checks. Because it's money. Why not? You all won't get loans and stuff anyway, so student loans is probably the easiest way for you to get a bad credit loan in real life. You want to get a bad credit $60,000 loan, sign up for school and they give you student loans. They're going to have to give you that so you can go to school. All right, so take them steps that I just told you. Go sign up for financial aid. Search the community college, tech college, junior college in your area. Sign up for that school. Once you get approved and get in, take all the steps that you need, because I guarantee you, once you start getting that money, you go like, yeah, I needed this. Boom, they gonna send you they used to send us one check before school started. So before school started, we'll get a check for like $2,500. Boom. I got $2,500 before school even started. 3 weeks after that, they send like 2-3 more checks. Boom, they be like 17, 25, and another 25 or something like that. How can you beat that? So you just got $2,500. All right, you got $2,500. Boom, put that up. Boom, 3 weeks later, you finna get like $8,000, $7,500. Man, listen. If you ain't taking this information right here and running with it, you crazy, man. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my Real King Hussle supporters and new subscribers to the channel, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. And that's what I will continue to do, all right? So make sure y'all subscribe, hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms. All you got to do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. The first comment pinned on every comment is my official IG. So tap in. Basic lessons right now, I'm doing basic lessons, FaceTime 101, so $500. Advanced lessons, $1,000. And unlimited gems is $2,000, FaceTime 101s. Book your seat right now in the crypto tour. In state, $3,500. You come to me, $500 deposit. If I got to come out of state to you, it's going to be $4,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money when I get to you. Also, I'm looking for content creators, I'm looking for models, I'm looking for actors, I'm looking for rappers, I'm looking for producers, I'm looking for cameraman for my production company. All right, so if you got some good music out there, you ready to get discovered, you ready to get some investment in you, I'm doing music reviews, $200. Tap in. Once you tap in, I'm going to check you out. We're going to see what you got going on. Models out there, you can't be corrected, you can't be directed. You ready to start making money, you ready to start getting in the position to win, you ready to boss up in life, you ready to start getting your brand and platform out there. Tap in with me. I'm gonna show you how to make money in this entertainment business easy as possible. Just have your head on straight, have a good head on your shoulders, have a good attitude, and I promise you we're gonna be successful together. Cameraman out there, you got a good camera, you got good editing skills, you in Houston, Texas, tap in with me preferably, but if you are surrounding areas or out of state and can travel, tap in with me. Producers, you got them good keys, you good with them beats, tap in with me, let's collab. And let's just work, let's get this money. Oh yeah, anybody out there looking to make at least $3,000 a day off YouTube, $90,000 a month without showing your face, tap in with me. I'm giving lessons on that, $500. $1,000 if you want me to set up your channel, post videos, and get you started. So tap in with me. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.